So now my husband will cook
What am I cooking?
chicken pepper soup.
What is this?
Plantain, no?
I said plantain pepper soup. We are cooking plantain pepper soup. Or is it only the chicken you are cooking?
So he's putting
Are
it.
you cooking only the chicken?
So as you can see, we're outside because the kitchen inside our house is too small, and when we're cooking, it's too hot.
Plantain is very hard. If you don't want to sleep, you don't want to sleep, maybe this is your time, to be enjoying. It's your time, okay?
It's your time, okay? Didi. Hello everyone. This is Sumto. Sumto, say hello. Sumto, say hello to them. Hello everyone. I'm Sumto and I'm sleepy. But you don't want to sleep inside.
2 hours later.
So right now my husband is boiling the plantain. It's hard, no? When you cut it. This one I need to put water so it will be tasty. The chicken will bring out some water. See? You want to join mommy and daddy? See, he wants to cry every time we eat dinner. You want to join us? Eh? Look at the father and son. Baby, you're looking at the camera.
Tonto. Ano na kami? Ano na kami? You want to eat? Don't worry, soon. But I think I put water in your mouth.
So he's 1 year now. When he turned 1 year, or maybe 1 year something. Not 6 months. No be small thing, happy? Baby, no be small thing, oh. No be small thing. Are you hungry? Baby, are you hungry?
You shop for some? Baby work is young.
So this one is his food. My answer is a lot. Plantain pepper soup. Plantain pepper soup. And baby, don't want to sleep there. Always want to stay with us. Eh? No more moment for daddy and mommy. Like before.
Oh,
Small now. You want to?
too hot to heat. This food need AC.
You're eating with AC.
You are growing cold. Cold.
And baby, sleepy already. Baby, you don't want to sleep up inside. This baby don't want to sleep.
Baby don't want me to eat, oh. Marcio, you broke your phone.
That was long time.
What are you doing when you broke it? You don't put cover.
Cover now, but still big.
You only affect the camera.
Baby don't want daddy to eat. Now let me enjoy my food, Joe.
Enjoy your food, bro. That's taking responsibility.
This one is just 1 week, Abby. Or long. This one. Can I stay for 1 week?
Baby like daddy to carry.
He likes you now.
Baby, sleep. Sleep, sleep. Baby, sleep. Oh, sleep. So you can open your eye again.
He will cry if you just sit down a bit.
See, baby. When I see baby, my boy don't
My
want
big
to
baby.
sleep. See my boy. You don't want to sleep, but you don't want me to eat. You know?
You don't want daddy to eat.
No, he will cry at night for sleep. Yeah.
He don't like maybe like that. Now let me carry him.
I cannot pain. You are on camera. Are you seeing the camera? If you cry, they'll say, cry, cry, baby. I want to see your mommy. Shame.
Yeah, let me carry him now. I want to. Going
See your
to
mama breast.
breastfeed.
The chicken done, Abby. I will thirsty.
Are you thinking of something, baby?
Don't distract him.
Before you will cry again.
He's meditating. No, boy. That's it.
Hey. Yes?
Where? Hey.
What's Okoya?
Abby? Hey. Like that.
Okoya is a bit. Is that the one I asked you before? Pastor always say Okoya.
That means Adi.
You say hey. Say head of baby and head of daddy. If we say, I want to do the DNA doctor will just tell you, my friend, go home.
It's your baby. So can't you see your photocopy? This one is photocopy.
No.
So I
Like this one.
can read his mind. That's what is running through his mind. No, I know this one. You see, reply and so. Aware? What's it?
Okoya. Hey.
Oh, you do like this. I know my boy. My boy is
Okoya.
very smart. I think he's hearing also. What is so?
No, so. So I almost finished my food. You don't still have a lot. It's busy.
Meat. This one is meat or chicken.